can handle enormous jobs.
All the way up to 500,000 to 1,000,000 square feet. Because of our manpower and the equipment that we have, we're built to handle the large scale projects.
We can run them round the clock with crews coming in on after crews and after crews and after crews. And so we can turn around 100,000 square foot jobs in 3-4 days.
In this industry, it's important to hit critical timelines, and we're built for hitting those timelines. We come in, we make sure that the job is set up properly, the manpower on the job, the right amount of materials, the right amount of equipment, so we complete your job on time, and we make sure that we're hitting your expectation.
We have a variety of crews that are dispatching out of the St. Clair area. We got a Novi crews that dispatch out of Muskegon, so it really allows us to reach our customers with a quick degree of turnaround.
Customer satisfaction is job one. We'll actually show up days ahead of time with our project manager, walk the project, talk about details, answer any last minute questions before we even show up on site to complete it. Once we're on site, we'll do a detailed walkthrough with our project foreman, and at that time answer any questions that come up. We've got a safety officer to oversee to make sure that we're hitting our safety guidelines as well.
We're going to execute, and we're going to execute in a professional manner. We're going to execute timeliness, and we're going to execute the way that the customer wants us to, and as I would expect us to. Wash the trucks, make sure you have your uniforms on, make sure the equipment's clean, make sure you have all the material accounted for, make sure you show up on time. By paying attention to all the details from start to finish, we know that the execution is going to be flawless.
We don't rent our equipment, it's all equipment that we own and we maintain ourselves. We know how to use it properly. There's been times where I've gone into situations and a contractor has rented a piece of equipment and they learned how to use it on the job. Our guys are trained and know how to use our equipment. They've used it on hundreds of thousands of square feet on previous jobs.
Something that we do that's unique is that we do most of our material purchases just through a few vendors. We've been doing this long enough to where we have weeded out the vendors that don't do what they say they're going to do. And now we've aligned ourselves with only people that really go to business the way we go to business, that are going to follow up, they're going to do what they say they're going to do.
Ten years of experience working for food and beverage clients, specializing in heavy industrial flooring. We've got large crews, we've got large trucks, we show up on a job site. It's like having our shop right there at your site. So everything we have is there. There's no need to run back to our office or our shop to grab something or get something from a supplier. In most cases, we actually have more on our trucks and rigs than our supplier would have in their warehouse.
If I was hiring MSC, I want a group of guys that know what they're doing, that look the part, that are going to do the part, to get in and get out of my facility so that I can start making money.